Alright, we saw a dead bird here about a week ago when we walked in this area, and she's trying to find it again. So I can see she's walking a bit faster now, she's searching. She's got a mission. She remembers. Doggies remember. Yep. It's around here, and they might have moved it. Yep, still there. That's exactly what she wanted to go and check out. But she remembered this from a week ago. Sasha, leave it. Leave it. And knew where it was and just had to come back. Come on, leave it. Good girl. Yep, it was still there, wasn't it? But you still can't have it. That was from the car. We're like right around the corner there. She knew where to go.